YCM is known for their reliability.
Now over here, we have automation, a great EROWA unit. We love talking about automation. It's why we compete on a global scale, right? It's how we reduce costs. It's how we battle labor shortage. But I also see something really cool right here. That's a 3-year warranty. Can we talk about both automation and the warranty?
Absolutely, and thank you for bringing that up, Tony. The 3-year warranty is something we're very excited about. We just initiated it. We're doing it on the 2 products, the CX4 and the RX. And the question is, why would we do that? The answer is because we stand behind our products. Not only do we stand behind our products, we stand behind our customers. And we want people to feel assurance that if they have hesitation, something goes wrong, we want to let them know that we're going to be here for them, okay? YCM is known for their reliability. That's why we have a lot of customers that buy multiple YCMs throughout the years. And we want to let the market know that these machines are as reliable as anything out there in the market. So we stand behind it. We initiated a 3-year warranty on these 2 products. But yeah, like you said, Tony, automation is really where the industry's going. Everybody knows it. It's a big talk of the town, talk of the industry, I should say. 5-axis in itself is a form of automation, right? So, reducing setups, reducing cycle times, but when you add an EROWA pallet changer to it, but we partner with EROWA, we partner with other automation companies, but we want to make sure we have those products ready to meet the market.
Yeah, very well said. Let's continue to walk and talk. I kind of want to skip because I'm so excited, but maybe people will look at us funny, so maybe we shouldn't do that.
Skip, yeah.